Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to lose your first 10 kgs very quickly and very easily in 2024. Now all of those who have your New Year resolutions for weight loss to lose at least 10 kgs as quickly as possible, then these tips and the diet plan in the end will definitely help you achieve that target very quickly. Recently, my lots of clients followed these tips and diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans or weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with tips and tricks to how to lose your first 10 kgs quickly in 2024. Now the first trick has to be definitely to lose your weight effectively and quickly, you need a diet plan. It is very important that you should know how much, how well and what all you need to eat in the entire day to lose weight. Definitely when we talk about personalized or customized diet plan, you get proper charts that are made for entire weight loss journey, which help you to lose weight every single day, where all your macros and micronutrients are taken care of, be it protein intake, good carbs intake, good fats, vitamins A, B, C, K, and all your essential minerals as well. A personalized or customized diet plan can help you achieve that target very easily and very quickly as well. Second most important thing is that you should always make sure that you move your body. Your body should not be in static state, it should be in dynamic state, and you should be able to at least complete few steps in the entire day, or also you can indulge yourself in some home workouts, strength training workouts, or any kind of movement throughout the day. I even recommend all my clients who cannot work out or give a particular time to their workouts should definitely incorporate in 15 minutes of walk after every meal, which helps you to at least digest your food well or boost your metabolism as well at the same time. The third trick which works amazing for all my clients is water intake. Yes, we definitely forget this important trick when it comes to weight loss, because water definitely plays a huge and major role when it comes to any kind of transformation that you're aiming for, be it fat loss, be it weight loss, be it inch loss. You need to make sure that you're at least having required amount of water intake throughout the day, be it in the form of detox waters or be it in the form of normal room temperature water. And the next important thing is that you should always make sure to not starve yourself or aim for weight loss through restriction of food. That will definitely not be a disciplined manner of weight loss and will not help you in the longer journey. It is a short span of time that you can lose your weight, and it is not going to be a sustainable weight loss journey at all. We always should focus on discipline and at the same time making sure that whatever weight loss that we aim is sustainable and you do not bounce your weight back once you get to your target goal achieved. Now let's proceed with how exactly we'll achieve all these targets in our diet plan for 2024 and help you achieve that target super easily. Starting with a diet plan, so for early morning drink, always make sure to have something warm in nature, be it 2 glasses of lukewarm water. If you cannot add anything to it, you can simply have 2 glasses of lukewarm water, or you can also have apple cider vinegar added to 1 glass of water, but make sure the water is lukewarm, and you can add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it well and have it empty stomach, or you can even have ajwain water or jeera water. Now all these things basically help your body to get started with the day and also to boost your metabolism in the morning itself. Major aspect of having early morning drink is to boost your hydration in the morning and to wake up your body with all the cells and everything so that you are able to start your day well. Now let's proceed towards your breakfast options for weight loss diet plan, which is very important. Always consume your breakfast, be it for any kind of food, be it fruits, veggies, seasonal vegetables, whatever is available, but make sure to at least have some breakfast and do not skip it at any cost. If you're in a hurry, then smoothies are your go-to friends. I have lots and lots of recipes of my healthy protein-rich smoothies which keeps you fuller for at least 2 to 3 hours in a day, and definitely you can consume these smoothies for your breakfast because they are super easy to prepare as well and hardly takes 2 minutes to prepare them. And in short, it makes sure that you're not skipping or quitting your breakfast. Second option is who have time and can prepare a good meal of breakfast itself, then please have eggs if you can have it. They're a good source of protein, calcium, and definitely help you to keep yourself fuller for the longer time of the day as well. If you're having eggs, then you can even have 2 to 3 boiled eggs, or you can even have a veggie omelette prepared of eggs, which includes lots of vegetables which are seasonally available to you. volume, like mushroom, spinach, corn, tomato, onion, whatever you can add to the veggie omelette, you can add it and prepare a good full omelette out of it, which helps you with your protein needs and breakfast also. Third option is for all my delicious Indian food lovers. Now, if you want to have poha, then you can of course have poha or upma or vermicelli, but make sure to incorporate less of poha, upma or vermicelli, but more of veggies into it. Always make sure that your each and every meal has good portion of vegetables, be it for the salad intake, be it for the veggies intake. You can always make sure that your poha has lots and lots of vegetables into it and very less amount of poha, just to make sure that your carb intake is minimum and more of its fiber and protein intake. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee if you're addicted to it, or you can also skip it and have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind at any cost. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option. If you like having your snack between breakfast and lunch, then you can simply have one fruit of your own choice, be it any seasonal fruit, orange, apple, banana, be it any kind of food you can have during this particular time, or you can even have simply 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea or matcha tea or green tea. Now 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high, but yet again a very healthy weight loss is intended with this tea. Proceeding towards our lunch options for weight loss, of course I'll give you 3 options which are very easy to prepare, carry as well, and at the same time super easy to consume for your lunch. Now the first option has to be for all my roti lovers out there. Now if you like having roti, then do not skip roti for your weight loss. You can have roti. Now all these 3 delicious roti recipes are already up on my channel, which are very low in glycemic index but also gives you good benefits of weight loss and also avoids any kind of craving of roti when you consume these recipes for weight loss. Now lunch, you can always make sure to have sabzi, 1 roti or 2 chapatis, or along with that always make sure to have a good full bowl of salad. Now you can always have salad 1 hour before your lunch so that you don't feel hungry too much when it comes to your lunch intake, or you can even have it along with your food, but make sure to have a good full bowl of it for yourself itself. 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 onion, lettuce leaves, and enjoy your tasty delicious lunch option. Second option is for all my rice lovers. Now this is a myth that you cannot have rice on your weight loss journey. Rice helps you to gain weight. No, when you make a smarter choice for your rice, you can always lose weight with the rice itself. I prefer having brown rice because it is much fiber rich and also keeps you full for the longer time of the day as well. It does not make your stomach too bulky or heavy when you consume rice. So you can have 200 grams of cooked rice, be it with chicken curry, egg curry, fish curry, or you can even have it with dal, white pulses or white chana, rajma, black chana, and include lots and lots of salad along with it as usual. And you can also have a good 1 cup of curd or dahi or ghar ka bana hua dahi along with this, which helps you to give you good probiotic substances as well. Third option is for all my dosa lovers out there. Now whoever loves to have South Indian food for their lunch, they can always consume 2 dosas, be it plain dosa, ragi dosa. Include lots of millets in your diet. You can also use ragi, bajra, jawar, jaw, whatever you can have it, but make sure to include good amount of it so that you definitely get the benefits of pseudo millets, and also they are very good for your stomach, for your gut health as well. Now you can have 2 ragi dosas prepared well. Along with that you can have coconut chutney or mint chutney. Along with that you can have a good full bowl of sambar or rasam as well. Now these all are the healthy meal options which you can have for your lunch, but make sure to restrict your portion intake during these meals because you are giving yourself calorie deficit plans as well, and at the same time good nutritional plans as well. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack. If you like to have something during this time, then you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, or you can have tea or coffee as per your own choice, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. Along with that you can have 1 piece of dark chocolate, which gives you good feeling of sugar intake but not at the same time any kind of rush as well. You can have 1 piece of dark chocolate, or you can even have 1 date along with it. If you cannot have these options, then you can always have 30 grams of roasted makhanas or 30 grams of roasted peanuts. Now these both things are high in vitamin C, K and A, and definitely gives you good benefits of joint pain relief as well. Now let's proceed towards our options for dinner. Now for dinner I'll be giving you 2 options. Always make sure that you have your dinner carb free or any kind of salt intake free. But yes, when it comes to your weight loss journey, you can even add soup to your diet, which is very good because it is warming in nature and definitely a good source of hydration as well, and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Now I have lots and and lots of soup recipes on my channel which gives you good dinner option for your weight loss journey and requires very minimal time to prepare as well. You can follow any of these soup recipes and enjoy your tasty delicious 200 ml or 300 ml of soup and enjoy your dinner. Second option is you can have any kind of grilled or tandoori item, be it paneer tikka, be it chicken tikka, soya tikka, or you can even have fish tikka. But make sure to add very less salt or spices to it and incorporate more in veggies to it. And also you can have approximately 150 to 200 grams of your paneer, chicken, fish, soya, whatever you want to have, but make sure it is protein rich in the nature. The recipe for my paneer tikka is again up on my channel, which you can follow super easily, and prepare chicken tikka and all other tikkas similar way. Include lots and lots of vegetables to it and give yourself a good boost for protein in the night as well. Before going to bed, always make sure to have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, or you can even have ajwain water or jeera water. Now chamomile tea helps to relax your nerves in the system as well, at the same time boosts your metabolism to the next level. So you can even have chamomile tea or ajwain water or jeera water, which helps in water retention, bloating and swelling reduction. Now for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query or any kind of doubts, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.